Hello students, we'll see the one more case. Minus liability for necessaries of life supplied to him. Okay, under the 19th point, under the minus agreement, last point, that is the minus liability for necessaries of life supplied to him. Okay, minor is liable to for the necessaries of life supplied to him. If he take the necessaries from any other person, so for that he is liable for that, he have to pay for that, okay, from his property. Okay, that is the point. See, under this, a minor is a inman. Under this, minor is inman. An undergraduate in Cambridge, it's undergraduate in Cambridge College, bought 11 fancy coats from Nash. He bought the 11 fancy coats. The shopkeeper, Nash was a shopkeeper. He bought 11 fancy coats from Nash. The minor was adequately provided with clothes at the time of purchase of the West Coast. At the time of purchasing of the West Coast, the miner was adequately provided with the clothes. Is comfortable with these clothes. It's not the shortage of clothing. Is adequately provided with the clothes. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳು ಇದ್ದಿರ್ತವೆ. ಅಡೆಕ್ವೆಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ the 11 coats are not necessary for the minor at the time of the purchasing the clothes, because he was ಅಡೆಕ್ವೆಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್. ಅವನಿಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಟ್. ಲೇಟರ್ ಹಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಟ್ಸ್ and later, but he purchased 11 coats. He failed to pay the price of the West Coast suit for the recovery of the price of the West Coast. He filed a suit against the inman for the recovery of the money. Okay, it was held by the court that the West Coats were not necessary for the minor. Listen, remember here, the minor is liable to pay only for the necessaries of life supplied to him. Under these, that is not necessary, because at the time of the providing the or purchasing of the coats, they were not necessary for the minor, as he was adequately provided with the West Coats at the time of the sale and at the time of supply of the West Coat. At the time of the sale and at the time of the supply of the West Coats, he was adequately provided with the clothes or West coat, right? So we cannot consider these 11 West coats are the necessaries. If there so he was not liable to pay for them. So minor was not liable to pay for them, because if the minor is liable to pay only for the necessaries, is liable to pay, these courts are considered as not the liability. Okay, this is the case law and under the Nash versus Inman. Okay, thank you.